Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install KakaoTalk app on your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, go ahead, open up your app store, go to search bar, type in KakaoTalk, and there we go. We have the app right over here. Tap on this option of get, double click, and it will start being downloaded. You can check it out with the preview from over here as well, and the review at the bottom as well. Now let it sit for a while. It has shown 1 minute and 26 seconds right over here. Till that time it will take for it to be downloaded and installed in your phone. So just wait till the time is done, until the blue circle is done being loading. So you just have to patiently wait for that. Now it's done being downloaded. This is how the app gonna look like. You can see the open option. Go ahead, tap on this open, and your app is ready to be used. Now you're simply gonna go ahead and add in the information, and there you go. That's how easy it is for you to be using KakaoTalk and downloading and installing it on your phone. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.